Hey guys, Jeremy from Direction Plus, and today we have a 2019 Ford Everest, and we're going to put the automatic transmission cooler kits, the Transchill kits on this, and we're actually going to put our dual kit on this particular vehicle. So here we have our Transchill automatic transmission cooler kit, and this is a dual kit for this particular application, so our Everest 2019 model. The reason why you'd actually put one of these on your vehicle is if you're towing heavy loads or four-wheel driving when there's not a lot of air coming through the radiator. These are good, cheap insurance for your automatic transmission. So this is our dual kit, which comes with two automatic transmission coolers. I've cheated a little bit and I have already pre-mounted the brackets to the coolers. A couple of little things that come in this kit that don't come in some other kits is we have this aluminium adapter which replaces the factory transmission cooler, and we also have this J-pipe which we also use when replacing the factory cooler, and that's just to reconnect the coolant lines down there. So as with all our other kits in the Direction Plus range, the kit comes with absolutely everything that you need to install it on your particular vehicle. So we'll go right ahead and we'll get this put on the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by taking the top cowling off, and we're going to take the bumper off, and then that will allow us to access the intercooler behind the car, and we'll be able to mount our transmission coolers. There you go guys, so that's our Transchill automatic transmission cooler kit installed, and this was the dual kit that we put on there, so there's two transmission cooler cores on here. Keep in mind that this actually is an Everest, and our kit is designed for a Ford Ranger. With some modification it can fit to the Everest, however we don't design it out of the box to fit the Everest, so just keep that in mind. So we've bled the cooling system, we've bled the automatic transmission system and topped it up. So it's all good to go.